How to mine cryptocurrency with your mobile phone. How much can you make if you are mining with a phone like this? How much are you gonna make in a day? Is it a good idea? Is it profitable? And most importantly, how can you do it? In this video, I'm going to explain you step by step how to mine, like actually mine, not these websites that tell you to click here. No, actually mine with your phone. And I'm also gonna talk about profitability. Is it a good idea? How does it work? Is it interesting? We're gonna discuss all of that. But before we start, if you like the video, as I always say, I would like if you give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm. If you want more videos like this, you can always subscribe. And if you have any questions during the video, you can leave them in the comments below. If you are looking for mining equipment, remember that you have our ASIC miner shop down in the description. Best prices guaranteed. And with all that said, let's go! Okay, so I guess now you can see my screen. So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to mine, and after we'll talk about profitabilities, what are we mining, etc. Okay, so what we need is to use a series of commands. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna download the command place, and then we're gonna use these commands. Okay, the terminal, and then we'll use the commands. So as you can see here, I have them in Telegram because it's easier to use. So the first thing we're gonna do is click in the first message that I have. You'll have all of this in the description. Basically, when you click in this link, it will download the application that I already have called Termux, ¿vale? Okay, Termux is, let me show it over here, it should be around here, Termux, okay? This app is basically a console, and in this console you can basically put commands. So when you put commands, it will mine, okay? Basically we are downloading a program and then downloading the installer for the miner, and then you will be mining in the phone. After that, you'll have to put the first command. You just copy it, you put it in here, and you do long click in the white part, hopefully, if I click correctly. Okay, there it is. You paste, and then you do intro, okay? And then it will download some stuff, okay? Do you want to continue? Then you click yes, okay. So the thing is, for you, all these commands, I already installed them. So for you, every time you click these commands, it will throw like a line of text. So you just do okay. And when it appears the dollar again, it means that the line went away. So now you put the next command, okay? You just copy the next command. You do the same thing, okay? You just paste it. Okay, no, it doesn't let me click where I want to click. Okay, you just press in the white. Okay, again, you paste it, you do intro, etc, etc. Okay, you do the same thing with all the commands I left in the description. And very importantly, after this description, this message, you'll have package upgrade. In this one, it's gonna ask you sometimes like, do you want to continue? Yes or not? And you put all the time why, basically, like yes, and continue. Okay, and then you have to use this command. Okay, this command is what is downloading the actual miner. As I said, everything will be in the description. You know how to do it, but sometimes it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, there is another one, which is this one. In my case, it didn't work, so I'll use this one. Okay, I used this one in the past. So yes, so you know that one sometimes fails. So we would execute this command, and then we will execute this command, which will be the last one, and then we would execute the last command, which is this one. Okay, this one I'm gonna execute. Why? Because every time you want to start mining, you have to put this command. As you can see in this command, there is a wallet, the address of my wallet. So in this command, you will have to change it and put the address of your wallet. I'll show it after in the computer, so don't worry. But basically, we copy the command now, okay, and we press in the white space again. We click paste, and now we click intro. And what is it happening? Well, basically now we are starting to mine. Actual mine, you can see it's exactly the same as what happens in the computer when you start mining, I don't know, Raven coin or any other coin. So as you can see, we are mining. We're making right now 807 hashes per second. So it's not like we have a supercomputer. By the way, I have this phone, which is a Poco X3. Okay, it's like an old phone. It's nothing special. And you can see, I mean, so you see that it's real here. I'm mining. Okay, you can see it going in the screen. Check that camera focus. That's amazing. So as you can see, it's mining. It's pretty easy. And if you want to stop mining, you just click Control C, and it will stop mining. And if you want to mine again, you put the same command again. You just put it again. You paste it. You do intro again, and you will be mining again. Okay, it's that simple. It's very simple to mine. So once we did this, you may be asking, okay, Pedro, but how much do I earn? Can I do this for a full day? How much will I be making if I'm mining with my phone? Is it a good investment? So that's what we're gonna do now. Now we're going to the computer. We're telling you what are you mining, because until now you don't know what we are mining, and I will tell you what is the probability of making money, how much money you're making, etc, etc. So let's go there. Okay, so here we are, and the first question is, Pedro, what were we mining? Well, what we are mining is a cryptocurrency called Dero, okay? What is Dero? Dero is a project of cryptocurrency with focus in privacy. It's basically very, very similar to Monero, okay? It's the same idea. It's a privacy cryptocurrency that you can mine with your phone, and you can mine with your laptop. The idea is that you can mine it with your CPU, and with the small CPUs, like in the phone, not like with big ASIC. You cannot mine it with GPU, all those things, okay? So very, very similar to Monero. As As you can see in the price, it used to be $20 on the top. It used to be 45 cents on the down, and right now it's $4. Okay, so that's basically Dero. This is the project. So how much are we making when we are mining it? Okay, so here we have the pool. Okay, we are mining in Wellsburg pool. So basically you just go to the pool, you go to Dero. They have only Dero and Ergo. You put your address and you click search, and here you can see how much you are mining. As you can see, it appears nothing because I mined yesterday. Today I just put it and I quit it. But for my Spanish video, I was mining for 20 minutes and I made 0.0004 Dero, which is kind of crazy small amount. We'll check about how much money it is. But first, where can you even buy Dero? Where can you sell Dero? Because even if you mine it, you have to sell it somewhere. Well, the only place I found Dero is in Trade Ogre. Okay, Trade Ogre is a super small exchange where you can exchange crypto, and they do have Dero. If you search, they have Dero against BTC, so you can exchange for BTC and then send to another exchange. So yeah, take into account there is high fees also. And here you can find your wallet if you go to balances, and again you search for Dero, and then you go to deposit. Here you have your wallet. Okay, so when you're mining, I told you in Telegram that this is my wallet. Okay, this one over here. So here you just copy your wallet address. Okay, you go to Trade Ogre and you copy your wallet address in there. So it's that simple. It's the only thing you have to change. So is it profitable? How much did I make? Well, it's very simple to calculate. Okay, I was mining during 20 minutes approximately yesterday, and I made 0.004. So you multiply 0.004 by 3 and you'll have how much I made in 1 hour, and how much I would make in a day would be 24 hours. So in one day I would be making around 0.0288 Dero, which Dero right now is $3.88. So we just multiply by $3.88 and we will be making 11 cents a day. It's kind of crazy. I mean, it's literally nothing. But it's true that the phone doesn't use too much battery. It doesn't use too much electricity. So yeah, it's not profitable. Okay, that's the point. It's not profitable. It's not interesting in general, because if you want to earn the money that this phone costs, okay, I'm using the Poco X3. It cost me like $200. It's gonna take you like 2,000 days. But it's true that if you accumulate Dero, right now Dero is $4. Let's say it goes to $25. It will be basically multiplied by 5. Let's say by 5. Let's say it goes to $20 and you're able to sell. Well, then you would be making 55 cents a day. Still, it's gonna take you like more than a year mining with a phone. I mean, you don't even know if the phone is gonna last. So in my opinion, should you mine with your phone? Definitely not, okay? This is actual mining. This is not a scam. This is not a bot where you just click in places and they pay you. That's not real. Here you're actually mining, okay? It's a real thing. It works like Monero. You can mine it on the phone, but it's not profitable. It's not interesting. For that price, given that you need a 20x or 4x or 5x to make it even half profitable, just buy the crypto directly. It's gonna be cheaper, okay? Like, just buy the crypto directly. You're gonna have more higher returns and you won't have these problems. The phone is not made for mining, okay? They have a CPU, but it's not made to be working 24/7 like graphic cards. It's not the same strong. It's not supposed to be like that. All the heat is going on the phone. So I wouldn't mine. Personally, I wouldn't mine on my phone. I don't think it's smart. I think it's not profitable, as you can see, but it's very cool to see it. In my opinion, it's super cool to see the lines going down like when you're mining in the computer. To have hash rate, actual hash rate, is kind of crazy in my opinion. So I just wanted to show it. I wanted to show it because I just couldn't believe it when it was like hashing on my phone. Like it's just crazy. So personally, I think it's very interesting, but definitely not profitable. So yeah, if you were expecting a high profit in my phone, I'm sorry to tell you that's not the reality. That's not what we had. But anyways, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. If you want to subscribe, it's totally free. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!